Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop for another action-packed 10 minutes of bomber building action. That's right, we're here and we're serious. We're time to get serious now, no more playing around. Quit poking me, doggone it. Alright, I'm going to drill my alignment pins. Just I don't want to do them on that side. I think I could get my... Yeah, they don't need to be there. Alright. Now we're going to do some more waxing. If we don't get some wax in these little places, that'll resin will stick. We got all this filled, got it waxed really good. Because the wax is your friend when it comes to molding stuff. And here, people, I actually got a little chip in my mold. Right there. You see it? Just a little one. It wasn't very big. It's really not a big deal, but to keep the chip from being in my other one, you know, being the reverse of a chip, which would be sticking out, I just filled that little place with clay. It's really not very deep and not a very big deal. We ain't worried about it. We don't sweat the small stuff in the shop. But any of these new lips I've done, just got to make sure and wax them up good. You know what I mean? I'm going to put me a new Band-Aid on my camera there. Having my voice all crackling again. We don't want that. Turn off my air conditioner so I can spray some over these. Kansas weather, man, it goes from needing a heater one day to needing the air conditioner the next. It's crazy. But that's what we gotta do. So we just do it. Bam. adjusted my gun down a little bit. Yep. Yep. That's what you do when you mess up that mold release. Get the old sponge, and you wipe it off. Alright, now we're going to try this again. I'm going to tone her down a little bit since we're doing such a small area. There we go. Much better. And we'll let that dry. We're going to let that dry. We still got 2 minutes left. So what's up, people? What's going on this week? Y'all getting flying in? You know, we still need more pictures on our website. Oh, you guys got your t-shirts, and not one of you sent pictures in. Doggone it. I'll have to put my foot down. Start slowing down on the movies a little bit, huh? Well, speaking of t-shirts, I still got plenty in the house, people. Still got a big old pile of t-shirts. I got all sizes. Anyone want a t-shirt? Give us a message. Don't take much. Ain't got no t-shirts in the UK yet. A couple people said they wanted them, and it's nothing happened. Got one going to Ireland I'm going to get out this week. Got a couple t-shirts I need to get out this week. And what else? Oh, you guys keeping up on Butch's movies? Butch's made a couple videos this week. And what else? Any questions, you guys? Oh, don't forget to watch my interview tomorrow night. That's going to be at 6 o'clock Central Time Zone. That's I'm in Kansas, in the USA. So you have to figure out your own time zone where you're at. But 6 o'clock Central Time Zone is going to be on. We're going to be on our interview with This Week in Radio Control with old Dave. We're going to do a weekly interview, so you guys tune in. If you go to the chat room, you can ask questions and stuff. And it's a lot of fun, so people pop in. We're glad to have you there. And what else? I think that's about all I got for you right now, people. Oh, and guess what? Our video's over too. So, as soon as this dries, I'm going to get another coat on it, and then I'm going to start applying some resin on it. And I might make y'all another video. Y'all been good except for the t-shirt thing. So tune in later. Same Bob time, same Bob station. This is a